Ladies and gentlemen, to deliver her keynote message, let us all welcome the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Honorable Sara Z. Duterte.
To our very important foreign guests, our former President Joseph Ejercito Estrada, our former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, to the families of the former Vice Presidents, ladies and gentlemen, mga kababayan, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Madayaw, umayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Good day to everyone. To our esteemed former Vice Presidents of the Philippines and to their surviving families, maraming salamat sa paglaan ng inyong oras, sa pagbigay halaga sa tanggapan ng pangalawang Pangulo. We recognize that the institution we serve today was built by your sacrifice, your wisdom, and your personal dedication to the Filipino people. Your contributions were vital in producing the OVP 90th Anniversary Coffee Table Book, which beautifully captures your respective chapters of service. We are proud to dedicate the nationwide pop-up exhibits to you. These exhibits, now running in major cities, are our way of ensuring that every Filipino appreciates the depth of each Vice President's legacy. It is with that spirit of dedicated service that we turn to the present. Before I proceed, my heart and my prayers go out to all our countrymen recently affected by the spate of national calamities that have swept our nation. The devastation caused by the earthquake, the strong winds and flooding from the successive typhoons, and the continuous threat posed by volcanic activity. We mourn with those who have lost loved ones and pray for strength and recovery for all those whose homes and livelihoods were affected. It is in these moments of profound crisis that the government must be strongest. Our commitment to providing immediate assistance is evident in the relentless work of our disaster response teams, who move right after every typhoon, earthquake, and other emergencies. These courageous individuals deserve our recognition. To the dedicated men and women of the Office of the Vice President, from our central and satellite offices, our frontliners, to our program managers and staff, maraming salamat po sa inyong tapat na serbisyo. This institution's success is a direct result of your relentless effort that you put in every single day. You are the operational heart of the OVP. Despite budget constraints, despite gargantuan challenges, your resilience endures. That essential aid reaches our kababayan immediately, efficiently, and with heart. You are the embodiment of responsive governance. As we celebrate this 90th year, we are inspired by the past to build a stronger future. Let the inspiring stories of our fellow Filipinos fuel our resolve for an even more impactful year to come. Your commitment fuels the historic efforts to ensure stability for this office, including the realization of the OVP Museum, the OVP Permanent Office, and the OVP Charter. These goals are dedicated to all of you, ensuring that the excellence you demonstrate now will be supported and sustained by future public servants. I am profoundly honored to lead this office alongside all of you. Let us carry forward the torch of bayanihan and excellence that has defined the Vice Presidency for 9 decades. Ipagpatuloy natin ang tapat na paglilingkod ng ating inang bayan. Let me acknowledge the project of the Office of the Vice President, the You Can Be VP project. This is a project for students. We meet in our school pagbabago bag distribution. And when we see a fire in them, when we see that potential in them in leadership, we invite them to join us in the Office of the Vice President, where they work as a Vice President alongside me. Let me acknowledge our little Vice Presidents. Please stand up. Little Vice Presidents represented at the office in my trips abroad in the past months. So thank you very much for coming to our 90th anniversary. And we hope to see you in the future books of the Office of the Vice President as the 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th Vice Presidents of the Republic of the Philippines. Mga kababayan, ang lahat ng ginagawa natin ay para sa Diyos, sa bayan, at sa bawat pamilya Pilipino. Syukran.
Thank you very much.